In this video, I'm going to show you the different types of roof lines that there are. So starting with this one, you're going to click the surface, do the offset tool, 8 inches for the trim. And we are just going to do it on the side for this example. We're going to find our center point. We're going to go straight up, follow the blue axes, and we're going to go up 4 feet. Drag each corner down, erase this line. Then we're going to push pull this, click control to each corner. Now for this roof, we're going to bring the corners in. So we're going to make sure it's shaved off here. So we're going to find the center point up here. And then in order to create that trapezoid look, we're also going to find another center point here. Depending on how steep you want it, we could go this steep or we could go this steep. It just depends. But for this example, I'm just going to find the center points on each new center side. And then I am going to draw each corner down. And you want to make sure that you find the center points for it so it's equidistant on both sides. So that way the roof isn't lopsided. That's why we do it this way. Drag each corner down, and we can erase these extra lines and then erase these 3 lines on each side. And then we have the trapezoid kind of roof. And don't forget to push pull down for your trim by 4 inches. The other type of roof is where it's more pointed in the center. So we're going to do an offset by 8 inches. We're going to do the same kind of thing, but we'll do it from a different angle. We'll just go up this way. We'll go up 4 feet. Oops, that didn't work right. 4 feet. And then we're going to drag it to each corner. Erase this line. We're going to push pull in, click control so it drags all the way through. And then we're strictly going to just find the center point here and drag that down on all 4 sides. And then you're going to erase what's left. And then you have your pointed roof. And this roof is typically used for when we have covered structures. This is the type of roof that we usually draw up as the pointed one. For the next roof, we're just going to do a typical roof. So we're going to select it, click offset, 8 inches, and then you're going to go up 4 feet. Drag each corner down. And then we're going to push pull this inward, click control, meet the other end. And then we're going to offset 8 inches on the inside. Drag each corner down, erase that line, and push pull inward. And we have our roof. And then always make sure to do your trim for inches. So that is the typical roof that we have here. Another one that we typically see happen is we have a roof line, and then we have this area of roof that overhangs the gable. So typically what we do for that one is we'll just draw a straight line like this, and we'll just push pull the house part back here 8 inches. We'll typically just do that only 4 inches. So you still have that depth that we're looking for. And then you have your overhang like that. And then make sure you go down 4 inches. And that's typically, so once I put the roofing swatch on here, it'll make more sense. So we have that roof overhang in the front of the gable. And then I'll go ahead and find some siding. So this is for the trim color. And then we have the siding. So that's that type of roof where you have this like area in front of the gable that the roof overhangs. Those can be a little trickier at times to create, but once you get the hang of it, it is pretty straightforward. You just have to make sure you draw that horizontal line again, which I'll show you. But once you put the swatches in, it makes more sense. So when you do your offset of 8 inches, you're just going to find each corner and go straight across like that. Then you're going to go ahead, we can just go ahead and pull that out 4 inches ahead of time and push that back 8 inches. And then you have your set of roof where it's overhanging the gable. So that is other type of roof that's out there.